Hello, and welcome to my video. Let's talk about 5 truck detailing mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use dishwashing detergents. They are one of the worst enemies of your truck paint. The high acidity of these chemicals will start peeling the clear coat of your paint prematurely. This, in turn, will result in oxidation. Paint correction can cost you a bundle. 2. Avoid using abrasive towels and cloths. Use either a microfiber towel or a chamois. Never use a dirty cloth after cleaning wheels or undercarriage. Dirty towels contain debris such as sand that scratch the paint. 3. Don't use a glossy cleaning product on the dashboard. Make sure you select a non-greasy, non-oily product. A glossy cleaner will pose a threat to your safety as sunlight will reflect and blind you while driving. 4. Avoid automated truck washes. They use cleaning products with a high chemical concentration, and brushes that are highly abrasive. These brushes are not cleaned after every wash, so you get the last truck's dirt. There are truck detailing services that use steam. No chemicals or rough cleaning equipment. It's safe for your truck, the environment, and your health. 5. Don't wait months to clean your truck. Regular cleaning and maintenance is mandatory if you want to keep your truck in tip-top shape. If you get any stains on the upholstery or the paint, clean them off immediately. Winter road salt, if not removed, will cause corrosion. Truck detailing has to be done with proper knowledge and skill to avoid disastrous consequences. If you'd rather entrust your vehicle to a professional truck detailer, then make sure they have the reputation of an expert. Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.